Hello, let's explore the BBOT 2.0, a feature-packed custom board designed as a low-cost, small form factor system for hands-on projects. At its core is the Raspberry Pi Pico 2W, a powerful and versatile microcontroller development board. The Pico 2W includes an RP2350 microcontroller, wireless connectivity, and updated Pico SDK and documentation. The RP2350 microcontroller is a significant upgrade from the previous RP2040, offering improved performance to control the BBOT. Wireless connectivity, both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, is provided by a dedicated chip for remote control and data transfer. The updated Raspberry Pi Pico SDK and documentation are critical improvements to the Pico's design process to support both RP2350 and the RP2040. Below the Pico 2W, you'll find a small OLED display. When first powered, let me power the system. When first powered, it shows an initial welcome message, followed by a second message, the Pico's temperature and battery voltage, providing real-time system feedback. For vehicle movement, the BBOT features a dual-motor driver module. This module, controlled by the RP2350, provides the necessary power to two electric motors that drive the rover. The BBOT system power is managed by a 5-volt regulator, which ensures a stable power supply for the Pico. The board also includes LEDs, a power switch, a push button, and a debugging serial interface. The BBOT's capabilities can be expanded with available header pins. These pins provide access to unused microcontroller resources, allowing you to connect external sensors and devices for advanced experimentation. Finally, the BBOT is equipped with an HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor in the front. This sensor sends out ultrasonic pulses to detect objects, enabling the BBOT to navigate and avoid obstacles. Hi, this is a short video showing the BBOT in action. Let me go ahead and activate the motors. It's coming up on a box. It turns 90 degrees, coming up on a second box, and it makes another 90-degree turn. For this demo, let's see if the BBOT can get out of a confined space. Go ahead and activate the motors. It's coming up on a wall. It detects the wall, backs up, and now it's going to detect a second wall, backs up, and now it's coming out of that tight spot.